The bear walk.
Okay, let's do the bear walk. I know how to walk like a crab.
That's it. That's it. That's hard, isn't it? Yeah, there you go, Lily. You walk like a crab. That's hard to do. Cannonball. Jackknife. Whoa, Pippin jumped into the water.
That's mine. That's
It's way too cold. If you went outside in your bathing suit right now, you would freeze.
But we can go to the beach in the summer.
Exactly.
Can we go to
You want to go to the swimming pool?
Looking.
Yeah, we can go to the swimming pool this weekend.
Yay!
That would be fun, wouldn't
Can we
it?
go tomorrow?
Tomorrow, maybe not, but Saturday, because you know why? It's going to be cold for the next couple of days. And remember last time we went, it was freezing in there? Oh, yeah, well, we went when it was a swim meet, but we also went, and it was so cold in there that we didn't stay very long.
Dad, look what I can do.
Let me see. Cannonball, oh man. Does that hurt your feet?
No.
Go ahead, Lily.